Oh, and a big chop to the chest. Leslie Leatherman. The power behind this. Leatherman, just a very dangerous man. Jake Davis sends Leatherman up and over the top to the floor. Or to the grass, actually. And I see, doesn't look like Deuce Donatelli and Griffin and Jackpot are too anxious to throw Leatherman back in. Leatherman gets in very slowly. Jake takes a run, jumps off onto the Sin City Syndicate and Griffin. Springboards off of Leatherman onto the Lumberjacks.
Wow, I mean, impressive, but I don't know what
Leatherman's chasing after him.
I don't know what Jake was thinking. His opponent is Leslie, not the Lumberjacks.
Well, the Lumberjacks were supposed to keep Davis and Leatherman inside the ring. Guess what? They're battling out into the concession tables. They just threw Jake Davis over the concession tables.
And easily threw him. You see the air that Jake got there?
Jake Davis out on the ground. It rained yesterday, but it is not especially soft out there.